So today we got the big upgrade for the Q and the Z. It's at the house. I'll show you guys in a little bit. But for now, my boy Manny wants us to do him a favor. So today I'll be driving a Supra. I'm not sure where to place this, so I'm just gonna place it right there for now. But oh my god, first time ever starting a Supra. Holy crap. This thing is just crazy. Everything feels so nice and new. Oh man. Shout out to Manny for trusting me with this. Dude, what the hell? Oh my god. Oh shit. This feels nice. Oh man. I wish I had a passenger with me so they can like record my reactions. For now, you guys are gonna have to hear it. Oh dude, this thing is a beauty. Man, I never hated on these Supras. I never understood why people ever did, but man, everything is just futuristic, dude. I love it. Dude, like I said, I wish I had a passenger to get my reaction the whole time. Man, look how nice this is. Like, look at that digital display. It's crazy, bro. This fucking Supra is nice. Man, what am I doing with the 350Z? I need this in my life. Yeah, you can fucking hate on it that it's auto all you want, but dude, this thing is fast. Oh man, these paddle shifters feel so good. Yeah, whatever, BMW, it's a BMW engine, whatever. It doesn't matter. Since when is BMW bad? Oh man, this thing is beautiful. I need one in my life. Look at this beautiful MKV Supra. Damn. If it wasn't for the 400Z coming out, I would definitely be on the rise of coming up on one of these. Because goddamn, they're nice. Can't go wrong with this one. All right, boom guys. Here it is, special delivery. Christmas came early. Gotta block that out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open all this up. It's a lot. All right, well, good news. Turns out I have my tripod at home. I thought I left it on the Fit. Hey, Oreo. Say hi to the vlog. Anyways, yeah, side note, for the Fit, finally got my damn oil pan, so that's finally gonna get fixed. You guys don't know how to struggle on that thing. That thing was back ordered like crazy, but thankfully it's here. Too bad it's not gonna get worked on until next week. All right, here you go, guys. If you don't know by the box now, then you'll see in a bit. I haven't looked at them yet. I was waiting for Nettie, so we can both look at it at the same time. If I can open this thing, let's see. So I believe this one's yours.
Dang, it's just one of them.
Yep. Jesus. Look at this thing. Drilled and slotted. Damn. What do you think?
They're huge.
Holy shit, it's gonna be a big ass upgrade. So let me go ahead and open up everything else and I'll show you guys how it looks like after, because there's a ton of boxes. Wow. Well, that's a huge mess. Believe it or not, this is it. It looked like a whole bunch more. We're still missing the calipers and the brake lines. So maybe tomorrow we'll get them. So I'll update you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, after a few days of procrastinating, I'm going to finally open up these boxes. But the calipers are finally here. Look at this thing. Fucking huge. Jesus. Well, need to make sure everything is here. And then soon enough, we'll be dropping it off so you can get powder coated. Comment down below and try to guess what color they're gonna be. Sheesh. Check it out. Freshly wrapped GTR over here. Makes that roll cage stand out a lot more. If you guys want to get your cars wrapped, make sure you hit up 38 Car Mods. Does a fantastic job of wrapping. Alright, you guys, I dropped off the calipers for this wheel repair. You already know how it is. Does a fantastic job. Make sure if you guys want to powder coat anything, take it right here. I'm probably gonna cut it short. Don't want to get copyrighted. Alright, look at this, man. With my bumper all painted. Sheesh. Let's hope he keeps it intact and doesn't fucking crack it. Alright, you guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Before I end the video though, I do want to let you guys know that I am hosting a Cars and Coffee on April 11th. It's gonna be on a Sunday. I'm gonna put up a flyer right now. Hopefully I get to see some of you guys there and let's have a good time. Alright, till next time guys, catch you guys in the next video.